Hey, welcome to Design Guy. Ready to make text that scrolls smoothly? I'll walk you through the steps. Click Create, then select Videos from the menu. For this tutorial, choose Landscape Video as your format. Next, navigate to the Elements tab and search for Background. Browse through the available options and select a background you like. Finally, drag and drop the chosen background onto your video project workspace. For a scrolling element, click Text Header. Then, type any text you want in the field provided. This allows you to customize the scrolling element with your own content. Type your desired text into the provided area on the screen. After entering your text, look for the Animate button, usually found in the toolbar above or below your text box. Click the Animate button to open the animation options. From the list of available animations, select the one you want to apply to your text. Your text will now display the selected animation effect in your project. To move the text to the left, hold down the Shift key on your keyboard. While holding Shift, click and drag the text box towards the left side of the screen. Release the mouse button when the text is in the desired position. In the Movement Styles section, click on Steady. Once selected, you'll be able to adjust the speed of the movement to match your desired pacing for the animation effect. To slow down the scrolling animation, adjust the speed slider as needed. Once you're satisfied with the change, click the Done button to finalize the animation. Click the Preview button to watch your video and review how everything looks before proceeding to the next step. First, align the text with the background to ensure it's visible and properly positioned. This helps you clearly see and work with it. Click Preview to see your animation. If needed, click Preview again to review the effect. That's how you add a scrolling animation to your design in Canva quickly and easily. Click the Share button, then choose Download. Select your preferred quality option from the list to save your file locally. Now you know how to make scrolling text in Canva. Hit like and subscribe for more design tips.